today I'm going to be showing you how I'm repairing one of our foam structures that fell apart. So it was a sandstone structure that is quite large, goes about 2 meters across, and it snapped in two at an event. So we're going to be repairing it, and I'm going to just take you guys along to show you how I do it. Alright, so this is ready to go. I've marked out the spot, and I'm just going to try and stay within that area. So this is my jigsaw. You like it, Mum?
Yeah.
And I'm just going to be cutting this pole about halfway point. I want to take it through each side, okay? Let's just cut this in half. To be safe, just go a bit longer, it's always better. So get yourself one of these. I've got Liquid Nails, the Extreme Grab. This is good for foam. So we're going to be putting this around the PVC and then joining the two together.
Mom, I love you.
I know, I love you too. So this is ready, as you can see. I'm just going to go in deeper to get this pole in. Gonna see now if it fits. It's alright, she's okay. So this is the next day. The Liquid Nails has dried quite well and it's completely stuck back together. So what we'll have to do is go in with some expanding foam, and then we've got to cover it up with a mixture of sand and glue to get this finish with some paint. So as you can see, it's foam, but it's got a hard rock finish, so it's a lot easier to maneuver and it's pretty good for events.